Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Garima Singh signing in for today's video. In this video, we'll be doing the major type of soil, map work from chapter number 1 of our geography. Also, we have covered the theory part before, and if you haven't watched the video, I'll be linking the link of those video by the end. Today we'll understand how and what type of question can we get from the map work. Map work of the very first chapter of geography. This is very important to understand before we get into the map work, that in your exam you get two type of questions from the map work. Either you will be asked to identify the marked places in the map, or you will be asked to fill in the map. By this I mean, या तो आपको कुछ जगह मार्क करके दी होगी, आपको पता लगाना है ये कौन सी जगह है, और या फिर आपको जगह दे दी जाएगी और आपको उसको फिल करना होता है. ओके, सो विल बी डूइंग अ वेरी स्मार्ट वर्क एंड विल गो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैटर्न एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द चैप्टर वाइज. ओके, so that we end up in scoring really good in geography map. Okay guys, so this section is very scoring and we'll be following the smart work and we'll be going according to the syllabus. As chapter number 1 of the geography, the map work is all about identification. It means the map will be, the places will be already marked in the map and you guys just need to figure it out which place is this. Okay, so chapter number 1 deals with the different major type of soils in India. Therefore, first we'll learn and mark the different soil along the territory of India, so that whenever you will get a question from this chapter for identification of the soil, you quickly can identify which type of soil it is. Talking about the major soil type identification map, I am filling and showing all the places according to the soil, okay, so that the idea is very clear and you know how to fill in the map. But the type of question that we'll get from this chapter is only about the identification. Okay, आपको पता भी तब लगेगा तब आपको पता है कि कौन सा सॉइल कहाँ है, इसलिए हम पहले भर के सीखेंगे कि मैप कैसे फिल करने होते हैं और आपको क्लियर आइडिया मिलेगा कि कौन सी जगह पे कौन सा सॉइल है. ओके, लेकिन इस चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन सिर्फ आइडेंटिफिकेशन पता लगाने वाले ही आएंगे. ओके, as we have done different type of soils that we found in India, like forest and mountain soil, the alluvial soil, red and black, yellow soil, black soil, laterite soil and arid soil. So these are the soil we'll be marking on the map and we'll learn which all places have this type of soil. Now first we'll start with the forest and the mountain soil. Talking about the forest and the mountain soil, as we have studied in the chapter, this type of soil is found in the northern region, okay, which is the mountainous region, as the name only suggests, forest and mountain soil. Okay, so this will be found in the central Himalayan region, okay, that we have studied in our chapter. Therefore, the regions which have the mountains are the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, and towards this we have Sikkim and some part of Arunachal Pradesh. So this part will consist of our forest and mountain soil. Now I'll just quickly fill in the places so that the idea is clear to you all. There is a reminder guys, you need to keep in mind, while doing the map work, I will suggest every one of you to take a map and fill along with me. Okay, so that the idea is more clear about the map work. Doing the map work without a map is like a waste of time. Okay, so do not waste your time and take out your map and start filling along with me. Then talking about the forest and the mountain soil, जैसे मैंने बताया mountainous region में रहेगा. Okay, so Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand and some part of Sikkim and also some part of Arunachal Pradesh. So this will be our forest and the mountain soil. Guys, remember, you please do not mark the places outside India. Okay, take proper care and before you start doing this soil type, make sure you have a clear idea about the states of India. Okay, so that we do not end up filling the places regarding India outside the map. Now talking about the second type of soil, which is the alluvial soil. हमने चैप्टर में तब थियोरी पार्ट कर रहे थे, वी हैव स्टडीड alluvial soil is the most widely spread and very important soil. Along with that, it is very fertile. तो fertile soil कहाँ होगा? Because of the depositional work of the rivers. भाई रिवर्स ऊपर माउंटेन से नीचे आएंगी तो साथ में अपने बहुत ज्यादा सेडिमेंट्स लेके आएंगी, मेकिंग द सॉइल वेरी फर्टाइल. सिमिलरली माउंटेन रीजन के जस्ट बिलो जब हम बात करेंगे तो दैट रीजन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, हमने किया था ना कि नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में बहुत ज्यादा एलुवियल सॉइल पाया जाता है. देयरफॉर इन द स्टेट्स लाइक पंजाब, हरियाणा, Uttar Pradesh, some part of Bihar, this area will consist of our alluvial soil. Apart from that, we have also studied that alluvial soil is found where? Near the deltas of the eastern coast rivers like Krishna, Godavari. So eastern coast rivers will be here and their delta क्योंकि जहाँ river होगी वहाँ हमारा alluvial soil मिलेगा. ऑल्सो हमने एक बात की थी कि एलुवियल सॉइल एक नैरो कॉरिडोर से हमें राजस्थान और गुजरात में भी कुछ पाया जाता है. एंड टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न साइड वी फाइंड दिस एलुवियल सॉइल अराउंड द डेल्टास ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. ओके, क्योंकि हमने किया था 3 मेजर रिवर सिस्टम इसके अंदर आती है, हिमालयन सिस्टम, जिसके अंदर इंडस, गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर रहेंगी. सो इंडस इज दिस रीजन, Ganga is here and Brahmaputra is in the northeastern states. Okay, now let's quickly fill in the map. I am using different colors for different soil so that the idea is very clear to you all. Okay, so as I have told you that alluvial soil is found in the northern plains. Okay, so I have marked here the states like Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar. Okay, and also it is found near the eastern coastal deltas. So this will be here, rivers form deltas here on the eastern coast, and also a narrow corridor towards the Rajasthan and the Gujarat, and also it is found in the along the river of Brahmaputra in the northeastern side of our country. So these are the places where we find the alluvial soil. Okay, now let's do the third type of soil, which is about the red and the yellow soil. While studying the chapter, we have studied that this type of soil is found here in the southern part of India towards the southeastern part. Okay, around here. Also guys, remember, we are doing the major areas regarding the soil. There are also the small patches given in between. Okay, that is not necessary. क्योंकि छोटे पार्ट से कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं, मेजर पोर्शन से ही क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. But also we will not be avoiding any of the smaller patches here in this map. Will be covering but by the end of this video. Okay, अभी सिर्फ हम मेजर पार्ट करेंगे. Coming back to the red and the yellow soil, you all know red color क्यों है इसका? Because of the iron content in it. Iron is diffused with the metamorphic rocks. तो उससे हमारा red color आता है, and when this soil is hydrated, it gives us the yellow color. So now let's quickly fill in the map the places where we have red and the yellow soil. Now while filling the map, we'll get the area of red and yellow soil around this area, the eastern part and the southeastern part, and some of the narrow corridors towards the western part, and also we have the same type of red and yellow soil in the northeastern part of our country. Okay, then we have the black soil. As you all know, this soil is very important. What are the different names for black soil? The Rager soil or the black cotton soil. This is ideal for the cotton cultivation. Okay, so let's talk about the areas where we have the black soil. Okay, these are the areas which you can easily find out the remaining parts जो भी मैप में बच गई हैं मेजर स्टेट्स, उसके अंदर ब्लैक सॉइल आएगा. Okay, like the area of Gujarat and some parts of Madhya Pradesh along with that of the Maharashtra state. These are the major areas where the black soil is found. So let's quickly fill in the places, the areas of Gujarat and some areas of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra state. These are the area where we have the black soil. Then we have the laterite soil. As you all know, this type of soil is found in the area where we have high rainfall. Okay, बहुत सिमिलर सा है, सिंपल सा है, मतलब कि जहां बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगी उधर. ओके, एज यू ऑल नो, हमारा मॉनसून किस साइड से आता है? साउथ वेस्टर्न साइड, फ्रॉम दिस साइड. ओके, तो ऑब्वियस है जैसे हमारे इस साइड से फर्स्ट जो पार्ट हमारे टच करता है बाउंड्री का, दिस आर दी वेस्टर्न घाट्स हियर. तो वेस्टर्न घाट में हमारा क्या होगा? हमारे पास लेटराइट सॉइल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, द वेटेस्ट प्लेस ऑफ आवर कंट्री, द मेघालय स्टेट. सो हियर विल हैव अगेन द लेटराइट सॉइल. क्लियर है? छोटा सा सिंपल सा फंडा है, जहां बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगी वहां ये वाला सॉइल मिलेगा. सो सिंपली मार्क द प्लेसेस and now let's quickly mark it in the map. So quickly filling in the places along the Western Ghat and the state of Meghalaya will get the laterite soil. Then we have the last soil which is the arid soil. Arid हमें कहाँ मिलता है? It's the driest soil. Okay, and after a lot of irrigation activities happened on this land, the land became cultivable. ये वाले फीचर्स हमने कहाँ पढ़े थे? अबाउट द एरिड सॉइल व्हेन वी वर डूइंग द चैप्टर. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज कॉमनली फाउंड इन द वेस्टर्न राजस्थान. ओके, सूखा ड्राई रीजन की बात होगी तो ऑब्वियस है सबसे पहले किसका नाम आता है दिमाग में? राजस्थान. ओके, और राजस्थान ही बचा है हमारा. विल क्विकली मार्क द एरिड सॉइल. सो विल क्विकली फिलिंग द प्लेस विच इज द ड्राइस्ट region of the western Rajasthan. So this is the for the arid soil. Okay, now guys, I have not covered the small patches of the soil because that is not important from your examination point of view. बुक में अगर आप मैप देखोगे, there are different small patches which is given, क्योंकि soil को हमने examination point of view से किया है, तो major questions यहीं से आएंगे. And the very important soil from the map work is the laterite soil. Okay, अगर ये वाली मेघालय स्टेट या वेस्टर्न घाट और if it is given here some part of somewhere here, okay, these three patches are basically for the laterite soil. Okay, तो जनरली क्वेश्चंस यहीं से आता है कि laterite soil दे देते हैं, उसको फिगर आउट करना होता है. So these were the map and the different type of soil that we need to cover from the very first chapter of our geography. I hope the places are clear and you now know how to fill in the map. Along with that, you have the major clear idea where all the different type of soil are present along the territory of India. Let's compare it with the map which is given in our NCERT book so that the idea is more clear to you all. Now, looking at this map, we have this dark green color for forest and the mountainous soil. Okay, so where it is in the mountainous region, which is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and some part of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, then we have the alluvial soil. हमने पढ़ा था कि northern plains में मिलता है, so it is here majorly in this northern plains, some part of this northeastern states along the Assam state. And we have a narrow corridor going towards the Rajasthan and the Gujarat side and also towards the eastern coast of the Indian territory. Here are the rivers like Krishna, Godavari, etc. making deltas, and therefore formation of alluvial soil happens here around the eastern coast. Then we have the red and the yellow soil. As we have done in the map, red and yellow soil are here in this region, the eastern and the southeastern region and some part of the northeastern states. Okay, so this is what we have filled in our map. Then we have the black soil which is basically in the states of Gujarat, some patches in Gujarat, then major parts of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, and these are the small patches where all it is found. So the small patches are not really important. You need to go with the major patch. Okay. Then we have the laterite soil. As I have told you earlier also, laterite soil कहाँ मिलेगा? जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा rainfall होगी, towards the western side and in the Meghalayan state. Okay, then we have the arid soil. Arid soil क्या है? Dry region में towards the western Rajasthan. So this is the part where we find the arid soil, and here बहुत ही dry region है, रेतीला, रेत मिलता है हमें इस region में. Therefore arid soil. So this is basically the major soil type of India, the map which is given in your book. I have done the comparison so that you have a clear idea that the map we have filled and the map which is given in your book is all the way similar. The only difference here is that I have covered only the major parts, whereas in your book the small patches are also given. Again I am repeating the important questions. From this chapter are the laterite soil, the different three patches given here, this side towards the western side, and some part in the Madhya Pradesh and the Meghalayan state. This is the very important soil and again repetitively asked in your exam. So make sure you see all the soil clearly and get this in your head. Okay, while doing the concept of geography, I would suggest every time you just Google the images, study the concept and see the images along with that. Because looking at the image, your brain gets the clearer idea what are the things we are studying right now. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please comment down in the comment section what all different map work you want me to cover for you guys.